A boat cruise along the historic Seine River is a fabulous way to relax and journey past iconic sites in the heart of Paris. This may be Europe's most beautiful city river cruise. The Seine River is one of the world's iconic rivers. It originates in the Burgundy region in the east, flows gracefully through Paris, continuing northwest and emptying into the English Channel at Le Havre and Honfleur. There are three main departure points along the river where various companies operate one-hour cruises. We depart our cruise directly in front of the Eiffel Tower, passing by the Orsay Museum, Louvre Museum, the Notre Dame Cathedral, and then loop back. On the way down, we're looking north at what is called the right bank, and on the way back, we are looking south. Our Seine cruise was on a clear day with a golden evening sun. It was a highlight of our time in Paris, so I highly recommend it. Throughout history, the Seine River has been a vital form of transportation through Paris. In medieval times, the Seine was a bustling thoroughfare, with boats carrying goods such as timber, wine, and grain to markets along its banks. It was also used for personal transportation, serving as a common mode of travel for both daily commuting and special occasions. Today, while the Seine is no longer a primary means of transportation of goods, it remains a popular waterway for tourists. Some companies also offer lunch and dinner cruises, adding a touch of culinary delight to the experience. There is also a hop-on, hop-off boat tour, which makes stops at 8 locations along the Seine, allowing visitors to explore popular sites. It is also beautiful after dark, when the city lights add a romantic ambiance. I'll show some night scenes near the end of the video. So we sit back, relax, and let the Seine River reveal a unique view of beautiful Paris. If you enjoy my videos, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified of new releases. It's free, and sharing with your friends is much appreciated.